The third question says we should factorize 1 minus 1 all over x squared. We can rewrite this expression as 1 squared, because 1 squared is still the same thing as 1 times 1, minus 1 squared all over x squared. We can rewrite this as what? 1 squared minus, open bracket, 1 all over x, close bracket, all raised to power 2. The 2 is for both 1 and x. Then we apply the difference of 2 squared. Since both of them are having square square and there is minus in between them, we open our bracket and put 1 minus 1 all over x. We close it, we open it again and put 1 plus 1 all over what? X. And that becomes the factorization of what? 1 minus 1 all over x squared.